Welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my buns because as you can see, my hair is so frizzy. I look like a little child that's been at school playing all day. Sis, that's not cute. But I'm going to show you guys my steps to refresh my buns. Sorry. And yeah, let's get into the video. So, first and foremost, I'm gonna take these twist ties out for one. My bun is out. Woo. First thing first is I'm gonna use my water bottle. This is so handy for natural hair because my hair requires a lot of water. Let me say that. Maybe not this time, but in other videos you will see it. My hair requires a lot of water. Some people require a lot of water, some people hair don't. I'm still trying to figure out my hair type. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with this, and y'all, that's my spray bottle. Oh, I keep forgetting to buy a new brush. See, I keep forgetting to buy. It don't move right. I'm gonna do what it is. So I basically go in and moisturize my hair. Make sure you get the ends because we tend to show our ends no love. They need love too. Okay. So to freshen up my bun, spray the water on, and I just section my hair into 3 sections. They don't have to be neat. I still have more in it. You guys, put as much water in your hair as you need to because I feel like I'm about to spray some more in my hair. Don't judge me, okay? But need more water? Listen, what you gotta do. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Tangle Teezer. I love my Tangle Teezer lemon brush, but it works just as fine. And I just take my Tangle Teezer and go through my hair. Please never, just passing on some tips because I am not a professional stylist by any means. Once I found the lemon brush, well, if you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love. This is not it, but guys, us naturals, this is a fave of mine. However, this is olive oil, guys. Round your bush, back so tall. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you're gonna end up. I promise you make things. Now I'm gonna go in with my hard brush. By the way, I'll need a new hard brush. Me, baby. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put. I wanna say, what is that? But I'm gonna. I haven't. Now, what I will say for this front part, to make sure that your hair is all the same way, because sometimes I've did my hair and it looks, I can't explain it, like in the middle, it'll look like the hair is going a totally different way. Like, you don't want that after spending all your time doing hair. Okay? I don't want that. I don't need that drama. No, this feels like that. That. I feel like my part is crooked, but I feel like my part is always crooked. Honestly, because I feel like my length is crooked. You never know when to chill. Always talk to keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. You can take my hand. I promise we'll fall love again. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You don't even say what's up. Round your boy, you act so tough. Like you're never been in love. I'm about to tempt these edges. Alone is why you don't enough. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask her. But like I said, it wants to share. Where is very nice. Cause I honestly do not know what it is. Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. I feel like I did good. Might would have made more sense. Guys, I'm still learning. And please feel free to give me some suggestions or help a sister out in the comments. I'm open to suggestions, okay? I'm not one of them, oh, I know it all because I don't. You might give me a... I'll be alone with you if you can take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. We're gonna leave those alone. But I think I did good enough. And so this is the way that my bun is looking. And for the actual bun part, I'm just going to take and I'm just going to tie it. I'm about to take a shower before. I like to take a shower and loose off before I start working on things for road day. And other little things, like my shower is usually the first thing that I do. Most of the time. I'm not cooking anything big tonight. I bought some, I Oh, I bought some veggie burgers. I might cook that if I get home. But if not, I'm going to drink some water and mind my business for the rest of the night. And please, ladies, use a silk scarf on your hair. Please. I even have silk sheets in these places. There's that. And I will see you guys in the morning to show you all the outcome. How it looks in the morning after being sleep and laid down. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope I didn't talk in here too much. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so that you'll know when I post a new video. And if you haven't seen my previous video, please go watch it. It's just a little intro. Bye guys. I'm going to show you guys really quick before I head out for work how my bun turned out. So I'm just going to wrap it. Ta-da! Here is the outlook. I'm going to touch on my edges a little bit though. But y'all, I did good on my edges, right? Y'all must was rooting for me at home. I think that's what it was. But I'm just going to lay my sideburns down because they always showing off. Okay. I'm going to lay those down and I'm going to head out to work. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.